Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. Join us for tips, ideas, and tutorials on woodworking, crafts, and home decor. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest projects. Let's create beautiful things together. Welcome to the community. Woodworking is a rewarding craft that combines creativity with precision. As a beginner, the key to successful projects lies in understanding the fundamentals of measurement and design. Accurate measurements ensure your pieces fit perfectly, while thoughtful design transforms simple wood into beautiful decor. Remember, patience and attention to detail are essential. Start with small projects like picture frames or shelves to build your confidence. Investing in good quality for any woodworking project, having the right measurement tools is crucial. Start with a high-quality tape measure. It's versatile and essential for most tasks. A steel ruler or straightage is also vital for marking straight lines and ensuring precision. A combination square helps measure and mark right angles accurately, which is fundamental when constructing joints or frames. For more detailed work, consider investing in a carpenter's square or framing square. Digital calipers can be useful for measuring thickness or before picking up your tools, spend ample time planning your design. Sketch your project on paper, including measurements and angles, to visualize the final piece. Use graph paper to scale your design accurately, translating your ideas into precise dimensions. Consider the function and aesthetic appeal of your project, decide on the style, color, and finish that suit your decor. For beginners, simplicity is key. Start with straightforward designs that allow you to practice measurement and cutting technique. Precision begins with accurate measuring and marking. Always measure multiple times before cutting to prevent mistakes. Use a combination square or a ruler to mark your cut lines clearly with a sharp pencil or marking knife. For long cuts, a straightage or a cutting guide can help ensure the line remains straight. When marking angles, use a protractor or angle square for accuracy. Double-check your measurements against your plan to catch any discrepancies early. When transferring measurements from your plan to the wood, once your measurements are accurately marked, the next step is cutting. For beginners, using a handsaw or a beginner-friendly power saw like a circular saw is ideal. Always secure your wood with clamps to prevent movement during cutting. Mark your cut line clearly and align your saw blade precisely on the line. When using a handsaw, use smooth, steady assembly is where your measurements and cuts come together to form your finished piece. Before gluing or screwing, dry fit your pieces to check alignment and fit. This step helps identify any adjustments needed before permanent assembly. Use clamps to hold pieces firmly in place while you drill pilot holes or apply glue. Pilot holes prevent wood from splitting when inserting screws, which is essential for beginners. When using glue, apply an even coat on surfaces and clamp tightly. Great woodworking combines aesthetics with functionality. When designing your piece, consider how it will be used and how it will complement your decor. Choose a style that suits your space: modern, rustic, minimalist, or ornate. Pay attention to proportions and balance. Symmetrical designs often appear more harmonious, while asymmetry can add visual interest. Use design elements such as beveled edges, decorative joinery, or contrasting wood tones to enhance visual appeal. Functionality is equally important. Ensure your design allows for easy use and maintenance. As you progress, integrate your measurement and design skills into each project seamlessly. Start by double-checking all measurements before cutting, and use jigs or templates for repetitive tasks. When designing, think about how each piece fits together. This will guide your measurements and cuts. Use your creativity to personalize projects with unique details, but always keep practicality in mind. For example, adding decorative elements should not compromise stability or function. Even experienced woodworkers encounter challenges. Common issues often stem from measurement or design mistakes. If your pieces don't fit together properly, re-examine your measurements and ensure your tools are accurate. Small errors in marking or cutting can accumulate, so precision at each step is vital. Warped or uneven wood can also cause problems. Choose straight, quality lumber and store it properly before use. If your design doesn't fit your space or function as intended, revisit. Thank you for watching Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and hope you enjoyed the tips and ideas. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with our newest projects. Your encouragement motivates us to keep creating. Thanks for being part of our community.